Hey, well, we're here at bread baking class.
We're going to make it today with this white lily bread flour. That's what my mother-in-law told me. Never use anything but white lily bread flour. You know, if you're making this sometime and you're like, man, I need a quarter cup more and I ran out. You can use all-purpose flour. It won't be, it will be fine. I have done that before when I've gotten in a bind. You don't have to stop everything you're doing and run to the store. You can use all-purpose. Not self-rising, all-purpose. So your starter lives in the fridge, just like this, with paper towel over it. You don't put a lid on it. You just keep it just like this. And have cinnamon rolls for breakfast on Saturday morning. Then you would feed it Thursday night. It works best if you feed it once a week, but I've gone 3 or 4 weeks without feeding it, and it's still okay. The first time you make it after that, it may not rise quite as well, but then the next time it'll jump right back in and make it work. So, don't panic about like, oh, I'm leaving for 2 weeks over Christmas and I can't feed it. It's fine. You feed it before you leave, and then when you get back, feed it. The reason you have 2 bowls, some people do it in 1 bowl. I feel like it's easier to do it in 2 bowls. You're going to make the bread in 1 bowl, and then the other bowl is the one that you're going to leave it to rise in. So the first step I usually do is the bowl that I want it to rise in would be your bigger bowl. Not a special order you need to add it in. The only thing is to do the flour last. That is a good question. You are not supposed to stir your starter with metal, so don't use a metal spoon. You can use wooden or rubber. I don't know why, because we make it in metal pans and it's fine, but there's something about stirring your starter with metal, and I have accidentally done it before and killed the starter. So the flour is not a precise thing. I put 5 1/4 on. If you get too much flour, it'll be a little bit denser. It won't be as fluffy, but it's not perfect every time. Start with 3, and then use your spatula and kind of mix it up, and then you'll have to use your hands to work it in at some point. You don't want it to be really sticky. You don't want it to be sticking to your hands when you're doing it, and when you're folding it, you'll see it'll kind of spring back a little bit. So when you fold it, it kind of springs back. That's maybe it's a little sticky, maybe just a hair, just a little bit more. Yeah, so it's okay if it's a little bit sticky. So it's better for it to be. You cut your starter, you let it sit out. And then the next step you do is you make this bread. So then you put the kitchen towel over this and you let it sit out another 8 to 12 hours. And it's going to rise, and that's going to be your first rising. And then, so after your first rising, it's going to fill up your bowl. You can use that. I never used the one that actually has flour mixed in with it, but I don't think there shouldn't be a problem with that. You want to kind of fold it. So what I do is I literally just fold the ends in, and kind of just, as I'm doing that, that's how I eat it. I just keep folding the sides in. If that makes sense. And you just kind of do that for, 15, 20 seconds. Just keep folding. And what we do is we flip it so that the part that's down is what you put. You kind of fold the ends in like this, and then flip it over and put it in the pan like that. So then it's smooth on top. I found that I don't use my convection bake when I'm making bread because it gets the top too brown before the middle. I usually make my loaves, whatever I'm making. This is 1/3 of the dough. Roll it up. The only thing is the shape-wise, you just want it to be kind of a little bit longer and skinnier. If you give it a little more room in the pan, then it rises more evenly. Get home, put the starter in the fridge, and just leave it till you're ready to feed it again, and then y'all have something to bake tomorrow morning, and then you'll have 3 more loaves tomorrow night.
Last night when I got home, I put the dough on the counter to rise, and then I was able to put it in the oven right before I went to sleep, and I had some lovely warm sourdough bread. Delicious. Then, after leaving the dough that I made during the workshop to rise, when I put this bread dough in to bake, I made these. So now I have one more loaf of sourdough bread to bake. I made 1 pan of cinnamon rolls with cinnamon and then 1 pan of rolls with brown sugar instead because the Rainer does not like cinnamon, so I thought I would give it a try. And this morning I can pop them into the oven because they rose last night, bake them on 350, and I can't wait to try them. They're going to be delicious. And fresh out of the oven.